I want to show you guys something real quick. A couple weeks ago, I had a mower come in for a no start situation, and if you have a V-Ride 2 or a V-Ride XL or even a Cheetah, and your unit has the Tiger eye on it, I want to show you guys it has a self diag on it, where on this screen here, these red symbols right here are indicating safety features. So you can see that it's missing the one for the present switch on the platform. So in that case, the unit will not start. Right? Well, once you get on it, the unit will turn over. So if your unit won't start, the first thing I would just check simply is make sure all my emblems are lighting up like this. Now, even though say you're on the present switch and your PTO one isn't lit up. So a couple things can cause that. We're not going to get into details, but that's telling you that something in the PTO circuit is not triggering safety, so it won't let the unit start. Quick little tip for you guys to simply check your machine out if it does not start.